Hello, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Tom. Today we speak about success habits. Success starts in the morning. Successful people wake up early. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Early mornings are very quiet and beautiful. First, I drink a big glass of water. Water gives energy to my body. Then, I wash my face with cold water. This helps me feel awake and fresh. After that, I make a healthy breakfast. I often eat eggs and fruit. Good food is fuel for your brain. I do not look at my phone first thing. Checking social media immediately is a bad habit. It makes people feel stressed and distracted. Instead, I open the window for fresh air. I breathe deeply for 2 minutes. It helps me focus on the new day. Some people do light exercises in the morning. Yoga or stretching is great for your muscles. A good morning routine changes your whole day. It creates a very positive mood. You feel ready for any challenge. Small morning steps bring big results later. What is your favorite morning habit? Think about your routine today. Let us move to the next topic. We will talk about planning your time. Planning is a very important habit. Successful people always write down their goals. I have a small paper notebook for this. A notebook helps to organize all thoughts. Every morning, I make a simple list. I write 3 important tasks for the day. Big lists can make you feel afraid. 3 tasks are easy to remember and finish. Always start with the most difficult task. People have more energy before lunch. When you finish it, you feel happy. It gives you motivation for other things. Goals must be clear and simple. Do not say, I want to be rich. Say, I want to save $10 every week. Specific goals are easy to achieve. You can check your progress every day. Sometimes plans change, and that is okay. Flexibility is also a good skill, but a plan keeps you on the right track. Without a plan, we lose much time. We spend hours doing unimportant things. Time is our most valuable resource. You cannot buy more time with money. Successful people respect their daily schedule. They know exactly what to do next. Try to write your list tomorrow. You will see a big difference. Next, we discuss learning new things. Continuous education is another great habit. Successful people never stop learning new things. The world changes very fast every year. Reading books is a wonderful habit. I try to read for 20 minutes every day. You can read about history, science, or business. Books give us the experience of other people. You can also listen to audiobooks or podcasts. Podcasts are great when you walk or cook. You're learning English at this moment. This is an excellent habit for your future. Learning a language opens many new doors. It trains your memory and makes you smart. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are natural parts of the lesson. Every mistake teaches us something important. Practice your new skills as much as possible. Speak, write, and think in English daily. Small steps every day create huge progress. 5 minutes of study is better than zero. Consistency is the real key to success. Find a topic that you really love. Learning must be interesting and fun for you. Ask questions when you do not understand. Curious people always find the best answers. Knowledge is a powerful tool in life. It helps to solve different difficult problems. Invest your time in your personal growth. Your brain will thank you for this. Let's talk about health habits. A strong body supports a strong mind. Success is impossible without good health. Your body needs care and attention every day. Physical activity gives us a lot of energy. You do not need a gym every time. A simple walk in the park is excellent. I walk for 30 minutes every afternoon. Fresh air is very good for the brain. It helps to clear your mind after work. Food also plays a big role in success. Try to eat more vegetables and green salad. Fast food makes people feel sleepy and tired. Drink enough clean water during the day. Sugar gives quick energy but harms you later. Sleep is another critical habit for everyone. Our bodies repair themselves during the night. Adults need 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Go to bed at the same time daily. Good sleep improves your focus and memory. You wake up happy and full of strength. Avoid bright screens before you go to sleep. Read a physical book instead of using a phone. Take short breaks when you work hard. Stand up and stretch every 1 hour. Your eyes and back need a rest. Healthy habits save your time and money. You feel good and work much better. Your body is your only home in life. Take care of it with love. Our next topic is the people around us. Relationships are very important for success. The people around you influence your life. Successful people choose their friends carefully. Spend time with positive and kind individuals. They support your dreams and help you grow. Negative people often complain about everything. They take away your energy and motivation. It is difficult to be successful with them. Find friends who want to learn too. You can study English together with a partner. It is fun to practice with someone else. Good communication is a great social skill. Listen to other people with real attention. Do not just wait for your turn to speak. Understanding others helps to build strong connections. Say thank you to people who help you. Gratitude makes relationships much stronger and warmer. Help your friends when they have problems. Kindness always returns to you in the future. You can learn from every person you meet. Everyone knows something that you do not know. Be open to new acquaintances and ideas. Respect different opinions and cultural backgrounds. Smile when you meet someone new. A smile is a universal language of friendship. It makes people feel safe and comfortable. Surround yourself with inspiration and love. Together, people can achieve incredible things. Teamwork makes difficult tasks very easy. We are close to the final part. Let us discuss the habit of persistence. Persistence is the final habit of success. Success does not happen in one day. It is a long and interesting journey. Sometimes you will face big difficulties. You will want to stop and give up. This is a completely normal human feeling. But successful people keep moving forward anyway. They fall down and stand up again. Every failure is just a helpful lesson. It shows us what we can do better. Be patient with your own progress. Trees need time to grow and give fruit. Your skills also need time to develop. Celebrate your small victories every single week. You translated a new word today. Great job. You woke up early this morning? Excellent. These small steps form your future life. Habit is like a block of stone. One drop of water cannot break it, but constant drops can change the stone completely. Choose one habit from this podcast today. Try to practice it for 1 week. Do not try to change everything instantly. Slow and steady wins the long race. Thank you for listening to my podcast. You did a great job for your English. I hope these tips are useful for you. Practice your habits and believe in yourself. Have a beautiful and very successful day. Goodbye and see you next time.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.